What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Okay, Mr. Beast has got this video. I'd like to do a reaction video on this. It says, press this button to win $100,000. I'm correct. So anyway, well, let's see what he's got going on here.
If you push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random punishment, which probably makes you wonder, why would you press it? Well, one random press won't be a punishment, it will actually be $100,000. I grabbed all my friends, and what plays out in this video is hilarious. You guys get the point. By pressing that, you can win this $100,000 here for your sister, or you could get punished. I don't care. Yep. Alright. Wear pants filled with mayonnaise before we make them put on mayonnaise.
Oh my god, that is disgusting.
Mayonnaise pants. Anyone else want to press it? It can't get worse than that. Break a 2x4 using only babies. What? We have Chris's pants here, and we have to mayonnaise it. Here we go. It's gonna look like I took a dose. Oh no! Ew, I can feel it. Alright, that's fine. No.
I can't watch this. I just cannot watch this. Oh my god.
It's so cold!
Oh my
Alright, let's go bash some babies against 2x4s. Oh, you're disgusting.
No.
Here's a 2x4, okay, and here's a baby. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you gotta break that in half. Let's get to work. Oh, and if you need an extra baby, here you go. Okay, oh, and if you need another one, there's another one. We're going two-handed. While he's busy bashing babies, I'm pressing the button.
Good god. Kids, don't do that at home. Yeah, I swear, don't do that.
Let's go! What that means is when you get a punishment you don't like, you get to press this button and skip it. But you can only press it once. Okay. Nolan and Chandler, neither of you have pressed the button yet. One of you guys want to take a go?
Oh, no.
Alright. Go home and flush your toilet. My home's in Nebraska. Just go to the hotel you're staying at. Okay. Let's go. Nolan is going to flush the toilet, Chris is showering from the mayonnaise, and Tags is still busting a 2x4 with babies. Who's pressing it next? What says this next one's a punishment? Years of knowing you says. Pick someone and pie them in the face! Yes! Chandler, that could have been you! Oh, hey! Look who just walked back. Did you read the TV? No. I gotta leave. I mean, it's a lot of money. This $100,000 could literally pay for my sister's entire college tuition. They said I only had to use babies. Oh, hey! That baby stood no chance. Did you actually break it in half? Look what he's doing. Yeah, I might not have rushed that. What? If I'm doing a challenge, I don't have to get pie in the face, right?
Pie in the
How
face.
is USAA made for? It's made for him, a veteran who honorably served. And it's made for her. She's serving now. We also made USAA for military spouses and their kids. Become a member. Get an insurance quote today.
Commercial.
I mean, yeah, you don't. Watch this video of Chris farting for 20 minutes. Alright, go watch Chris fart for 20 minutes. Why do you have Chris farting for 20 minutes? For the love of God, you gotta pie someone!
Good. Watch somebody fart for 20 minutes. Good god. Nope. Not my. Nope.
You got the most thick pie! Now I know if I'm ever pieing someone, don't buy pumpkin pie. I didn't do it. No, keep buying pumpkin pie. I'm very happy. This is a 20-minute montage of Chris farting. Enjoy. You gotta watch it all.
Red Bull gives you farts. Red Bull gives you farts.
It's just farting.
Red Bull gives you
Is this actually 20? Oh my gosh, it's 20 minutes. Jimmy's gone. Maybe we'll have better luck if we press it. No! Oh my god, wait, who pressed it? I don't know. Here's the fish. 100 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Currently, Chris is beating himself.
Let me say, that's gonna take an hour. 5 minutes at most. Good god. I think your face is gonna be missing one side by the time you're done.
With the fish, Chandler is watching you party for 20 minutes, and Nolan is going to flush his toilet. Carl, I think you should join the party. Sit in a corner for an hour. Ha! Now that you're sitting, see this counter above your head? It started. Hey, what?
Oh boy.
69. Nice. Bam! Oh. Let's get it. Do 100 push-ups. Oh, I'm done with my punishment. Sort this bowl of M&Ms by color.
No.
18, 19, 20.
This might seem stupid, and you probably want to quit. Oh, all right, never mind then.
You think sitting in a corner is going to stop me from doing more punishment?
You cannot push this button until you pee. So while you're sitting in this corner, Carl, here's some water.
Flush this toilet for you, Natalie. Let's go.
My sister is worth all this pain.
60. Oh my God. 68. 69.
You want to take a break sorting M&Ms and go watch Chandler watch you fart for 20 minutes? Yeah, that sounds nice. Hey, buddy, how's my farts? You're going to get it sleep tonight, and that's all you're going to hear looping in your head is my fart. I'm sure your sister appreciates this. Get back to my M&Ms.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm so close.
This dude's
It's
on
for you.
M&Ms.
100. Woo.
Congratulations on your 100
Alright,
push-ups.
we got one that's got 100. Okay, how you gonna win this 100 grand? I mean, you just gonna keep doing this over and over? I don't get it.
Kick a field goal. We rented a football field. I'll text you the address. You got to go kick a field
All
goal.
right, let's do this.
4 seconds. 3.
Red Bull gives you farts. A few moments later.
Chandler is back. Let's see it. Pick a contestant to skip the next 10 turns.
Me.
Oh.
You're supposed to pick someone else. One of the next 10 ones could be the winner. I doubt it. Chandler just expelled himself for 10 button presses. Nolan has
Finish your main phase without pausing. Try YouTube Premium on us. In style, uninterrupted. Bigger bucks.
How many commercials are put in this YouTube channel? I'm curious.
literally been gone for an eternity. I'm gonna call him and see where he is. Nolan, where are you? You've been gone for like 3 hours.
I've been gone for like 20 minutes, bro. What are you talking about?
No, you haven't. It's literally been an hour and a half.
If I want to win this $100 grand from my sister, I gotta get back as soon as possible.
It's good I have my pee bucket, my pee blanket, my pee... What? Pre-pee.
Okay, it doesn't take that many bottles. One bottle.
That took forever. Go give away $1,000 to 10 random strangers. I know you just got back, Nolan, but here's a briefcase with $10,000 in real money. Sayonara. We're about 13 button presses in, and so far, so many crazy things have happened. Tags is currently kicking a field goal. Nolan is giving away money. Chris and Carl in corners. Chandler's playing video games. It's crazy. I can't wait to see who wins $100,000 for their sister.
I'm not leaving this corner until I pee.
You want $1,000? Yeah, right. There you go. And
Enjoy. That's it. Camera 3. I'm peeing.
Oh, Jimmy! I take it you peed? It smells.
Oh.
This one's the 100K.
This next press is the $100,000.
I'm feeling it. Ready?
Okay, let's see.
Beat Minecraft. Carl now has to beat
That's
Minecraft on a
impossible.
brand new world.
For a better chance.
How do you beat Minecraft? How do you do that? I watched Minecraft and I don't know how you beat it. I played for an hour. I could go in.
I'm winning $100,000 for my sister right
I'm
now.
not a Minecraft
Jimmy,
person.
I'm done. Oh, come on. Why is that gotta be mine? Come on. Press it again.
You brought it back.
Let Carl draw whatever he wants on your face. I need a
Yeah.
moisturizer and I need a marker. And a Carl. Before Carl draws on your face, moisturize your right arm. Oh, Carl. Hey, bud, how you doing?
Wow.
Ah! Carl gets to draw whatever he wants on your face. I'm gonna go check on tags. I'll be right back.
Since Jimmy isn't here, if I don't like it, I can just not do it.
Let's
go!
Get a 1-hour massage. Yeah, right here.
And they said they were
Yeah.
punishments.
All right, this might seem like a good thing, but technically for the next hour, you can't press the button.
100 grand? Massage? Alright, sorry, Mom.
After 3 more presses, Chandler can start playing again. I got you, buddy. Two more.
Oh, by the way, do you get a stroker massage? Yeah. Kids, plug your ears. Mm-hmm.
FaceTime your 69th contact in your phone. Carl, buddy, how's it going?
It's good. I just got all the iron I'll need.
So how long till you win?
Realistically, an hour.
See, these, I could skip them. I like it when I skip them.
I'm gonna be honest.
You still have 2 more presses until you can play again. Pax is getting a massage,
Okay.
Nolan is giving away money, Carl's beating Minecraft, and you're just chilling here. Time lapse. Alright, how many do you have left?
1 hour massage.
Make it 1. Flip a punishment. Hey! Oh, dump a bucket of baked beans on your head! I'm gonna go ahead and skip that
30 minutes about maximum massage.
Stop! No! Just stop!
5.
Chandler's going to get Arby's, but you have to pick someone to eat crickets. You know what goes really good with a nice game of Minecraft? A little snack. Oh, Carl!
Oh, hey, man.
You got the gamer hungries?
Not really.
You want a gamer snacky?
I don't.
Didn't you throw a water bottle allegedly?
Allegedly, it didn't happen.
I'm curious. Are you eating the crickets one at a time, or are you just 4 and done? He's 4 and done.
It's the texture. It's the texture. Oh, my God.
All right, let's move on.
We're at Arby's. This food is gross.
Can I get a kid's meal? Thank you.
Bruh, wear a princess helmet. For the duration of the video, you now have to wear a princess helmet. Let's go. Pick someone and send them to McDonald's wearing a Burger King costume. Hey, Tax, you want to go to McDonald's?
Yeah.
Tax it is.
I'll do that any day.
Finish giving away the $10,000. We're going back to press the button again.
Pop this balloon with a marshmallow. Wait, what?
Thank you.
This is the driest chicken I've ever had in my life.
Oh, how do you pop?
Here it is. I did it. So you beat Minecraft.
Yes.
Congrats. Let's go. Pick someone and stay handcuffed to them for the rest of the game. Unlock the correct lock.
Have fun with that.
While you're thinking, I'm going to go get locks for Chris. This is a wall of locks, and Chris, here is the key. Find which one it works for, and you can push the button again. Looks like one of these, so I'm going to try all of these first. Here is a pair of real handcuffs. Once you handcuff them, they can't come off until the end of the challenge.
What if I have to pee?
Pee together. Jump in a swimming pool fully clothed. There's no swimming pool here. Go find one.
Not joking, we're getting close to the $100,000 press.
Could I please get 2 Whoppers?
First, we gotta find out. Okay, so it's probably one of those. Alright, let's just speedrun it. Build this 6-year-old Minecraft Lego set. No! Have fun.
We were recording this video for a very long time, and there's a ton of punishments that I just can't show, or this video would be an hour long.
Oh, button!
Okay, wait, before you press it, what do you want to say to Chandler's sister right there? Because you might steal 100 grand from her.
I want to steal 100 grand from you.
Well, you didn't. Open this present. Here is a giant present I spent all morning wrapping. Open it up. No! I can't. I literally cannot, actually.
Oh
I love how the
my
guys
God.
handcuffed have to do.
So how duct tape, really?
This is even harder.
It hurts so bad. Carl is not
Duct tape in a box? Really?
allowed to push the button for 5
Box
turns.
in a box of duct tape?
Can I use my button on that?
Yeah, you could actually.
What?
Alright, he skipped that punishment. Start a fire and put it out with the fire extinguisher.
Oh,
Go have
no.
fun. I love how the box is attached to the... Yes! That was his. What did you get? Give Jimmy $4.20 in pennies.
That seems simple enough.
Go find it.
Hey, anybody got pennies? Chandler, you got pennies? You have some pennies?
No.
You got pennies? You got no pennies?
Fire?
Ah! Time!
Oh, yeah.
Nobody had pennies, so we're having to go to the
gas station to get some. Give it a press. Maybe you wait. Do you think this is it? You wanna? Just kidding. You guys got one of the hardest ones. You have to paint this entire sidewall right here.
Come with me.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of working.
The pee!
Oh, it got all over me! You're gonna sit out the next two presses? Yeah. Chris, that's the 50th press! Build a gingerbread house. Yes! Is there any way I can get change in pennies for this? You don't have enough? Alright. Ladder, please! Someone come hit the button. Here's a gingerbread house. Here's some icing, here's some duct tape. You have to put it together. Alright. So somebody back at the studio apparently had pennies. I didn't ask enough people, I guess. Word on the street is Tax literally fell asleep. His 15 minutes ended 10 minutes ago, but he's still laying in bed. Oh! Hey, your 15 minutes is up. Where's the pennies?
Seriously. You're gonna sleep on $100,000? You gotta sleep on $100,000. Are you kidding me?
Oh, I stepped in your pee! Yeah!
Stop worrying about pee, Ethan.
We're at 51. How many can there be?
Jump rope for 10 minutes. Why do you get all the physical ones?
That's amazing.
Alright, I'm gonna hit it.
Do it.
I'm doing
You
all
are gonna
day.
press it? Alright, what is it? Solve a difficult math problem.
this.
Here is a math problem, Chandler.
boy.
When you solve it, you get to press the button again. I got pennies! Did you go to a bank?
The math problems of May do not go well. If you're gonna give me something big.
No. Alright, so $1, $2, $3, $3.50.
He didn't
This is only
count.
$3.65. Where did the ones go? It said $4.20. This is actually the answer to the math equation. That actually looks good. The wall is complete. I'm actually surprised. I thought they were just gonna quit. We are on press number 53.
You were here first.
Who's pressing it?
He was here first.
Who's
You
pressing it?
Oh no.
Let's go.
It's between you and me again.
Here's the last one. Oh, here you go. Okay. Oh wait. Choose who pushes the button next. Carl, you gotta pick.
I was gonna hit it next.
Okay, I'll choose.
Yeah. So, well, I mean, you can pick.
I pick myself.
Wow.
Oh, you're so disgusting. I'd hug you.
We can hug each other.
Let's go.
I kind of had a figure it
The winner had to give $100,000 to their sister.
And you're my sister. Hey, you have two brothers. Which one's your favorite now?
Carl.
All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye. And there you have it. Carl's sister just won $100,000. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, I'm trying to hit 50 million subscribers, and it would mean the world. I'm gonna.
Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. As always, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks.